Hello and welcome to my unboxing of Final Friction
Faction
Quantum toy unboxing.
Can you read the everything? Cairn Crawler.
Quantum. Smart and statue by Denny.
Jeremy, you have to do the stats first. I just gave you the stats.
Attack range 7. Range attack power 7.
Jeremy, I gave you the actual stats. Pay attention. Where the line ends is the number.
Attack power 7. Range 2. Mobility 8. Durability 3. Smart and stature by Denny in numbers. Corners can quickly sort their enemies. Corners on the first line of defense with their armor piercing limbs. Collect them all. In the year 2050, Elon asteroid collided with our moon. Among the debris, we discovered a hibernating alien mothership. Now the Khan are awakened and they want to plunder and purchase natural resources. So we recruited teams of special operatives to defend the Earth from the alien threat. They are
Final Faction.
Scan here to watch.
Jeremy, you're not scanning. It's on YouTube. Just open it, Jeremy.
Okay.
That's the whole thing of the video. You'll have to open it yourself, Jeremy. I can't do it for you. Take the figures out and put them on the table. There should be 2 in there.
1, 2.
You have to move the legs out and put them on the table yourself, Jeremy. I can't do that for you. Just do them one at a time, Jeremy. Jeremy, move the legs out one at a time. Jeremy, pick the figures up one at a time and move the legs separately.
Move the legs?
Yes, pick up one figure at a time and move the legs out. It's not that difficult.
This?
Jeremy, pick up one figure and spread the legs out so they can stand up. Jeremy, physically pick up one figure and spread the legs out. Use both hands.
Like that?
Jeremy. Why do you have to make everything difficult?
Oh.
You're doing it on purpose, Jeremy.
Got it.
Say goodnight, Jeremy.
Good night, Jimmy.